If you want to log into your FC Mobile account and start playing or managing your account, I'll show you a simple step-by-step guide. First of all, open the FC Mobile app on your device and make sure your app is updated to the latest version from the App Store. Now, once the app is open, tap on Login. You will see different login options depending on your account type. This could be email, Google, Facebook, or Apple ID. Select the method you originally used to create your FC Mobile account. Then, enter your credentials like your email and password and then type on Sign In. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, follow the on-screen instructions to verify your account. Now, after logging in successfully, you will be taken to your home screen or dashboard where you can access your games, stats, or any in-app content tied to your account. And that's all. That's how you can quickly log into your FC Mobile account. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.